Welcome to the Kokrajhar Desai Stadium, where the first quarter-final takes place. Northeast United FC would be taking on the Indian Army football team. And this is the match number 37, but the most important quarter-final.
You're watching the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup, powered by Coal India, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the Government of Assam and BTR. And we're off. It's quarterfinal number 1 coming your way. This is the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup. On the one hand, you've got Indian Army football team taking on Northeast United. Indian Army wearing their green and white kit, attacking, of course, from the left to right of your TV screens. Northeast United in their all-red kit, attacking from the left to the right of your TV screens. It's a long season, and now you've got a good move being built up from the right flank for Northeast United. Guillermo being found. Guillermo with the shot, and what a save by Malla.
To his elements over there. Look at that reflex from him.
Ashir puts that ball in, falls to Bemamar, finds him beautifully for Maya Kanan. Takes the turn, just no power in the shot. Playing a hybrid role in his first year as Indian coach. It is, of course, Manolo Marquez, head coach of FC Goa, someone who knows Indian football all too well. And I'm guessing all these boys will be hoping that the coach is watching each and every game that is available. Meanwhile, there's a bit of aji-baji now between Litton Seal. Alan Thapa, of course, will be hoping to put in a good ball now, because you've got numbers in the box. You put in numbers in the box to challenge the Northeast United. The ball seems good. It seems very good. And the save equally good from Gurmeet of Northeast United.
When you talk about free kicks, this is what happens over there, especially when you talk about the physicality back there. They have got all tall players, but look at that. How he gets sneaks inside, just puts that ball. His header is inch perfect over there. Coming from the left, Pradeep.
Here come Indian Army. This is a brilliant end to this first half. End-to-end stuff happening at Kokrajhar. Options in front. There's an option down that left flank. Dinesh has space for the shot. Takes the shot. Brilliantly saved as well. How is Indian Army not one goal up in this first half?
What a free-flowing football this has been. Look at that, the number of greens up front, and then defense gets a little bit deeper inside. Acres of space over there on the left. He just had to keep that ball on the target. He did that, but look at the goalkeeper. Rightly makes himself like a wall in front of him.
Here's the new man. Straight away comes into play. Litton Seal. Now, how much more of him are we going to see in this first 45? Cut a lonely figure in the first 45. And large parts of that is due to the brilliant shot taken. Wonderful shot. Wonderful connection. Unable to keep it on target. Rightfully applauded by his coach as well. Meanwhile, here comes Jitin MS. Gets past 2 players with these. Now he has options. He has options for the shot. Finds one of the Indian Army players. That was the new man in as well, Thoy. So both the substitutes at both ends causing problems for either side. Yeah, he seems like one of those players, Guillermo, who could get under your skin. Some of those intelligent players, always pops up in the box. Here he comes again with the header, and there it is. It's been coming. It has been coming. And who it has fallen into? It's fallen into the feet of Nestor. Goal number 1 of quarterfinal number 1 of this edition of the Durand Cup. And finally, first goal in this competition, this phase of the competition has come to Northeast United. Brought down brilliantly by Guillermo, and a first-time shot by a man who's looked supremely good. Supremely good so far. Makes no mistake with that left foot. Guillermo combining with Nestor, opening the scoring for Northeast United. Puts in a good ball. He's got a sweet left foot on him. Guillermo again popping up at the right space at the right time, making a nuisance of himself.
This is something that strikers would love to be right in front. The goalkeeper comes out, but nowhere there. Lovely save from Pradeep.
Just love to see the awareness as far as the strikers.
But what about this man, Jitin Singh? Jitin, he has been brilliant. A little bit of cramps on the legs, surely.
And straight away brought into the game by Bemamar. Radim Talang, first time pass, opts for a 1-2. Ably put in, puts in that cross. How about that for a finish? What a finish by Guillermo! All in the right place at the right time. He's been threatening all day long.
Look at that pass. Look at that 1-2. Stretching, getting back the defenses in 2 and 3 and then that ball, a little awkward piece of work from the striker. This is like a striker's goal, I would say.
Meanwhile, at the other end come Northeast United. Ajare very nearly got the third goal for his team, but it wasn't to be. Seems like Indian Army football team has finally accepted their fate. Can't really do too much about it. It's been a good competition nonetheless, Henry, for them. And there you have it. The first semi-finalists of this edition's Durand Cup are Northeast United, beating Indian Army football team by 2-0. Both goals coming in from Nestor Albiok and Guillermo Hierro. 52nd minute and the 73rd minute. Northeast United continue in the tournament, while it's the end of the road for Indian Army football team.